Meaning of foremost.
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 Foremost. The word foremost is an adjective that describes something or someone who is the most important, prominent, or significant in a particular context. It suggests a position of authority, excellence, or leadership among a group or category. To be considered foremost implies that the subject stands out from the rest and is held in high esteem. It is a term often used to describe individuals or organizations that are at the forefront of their field, leading the way in innovation or achieving outstanding results. In essence, the term foremost represents a level of superiority or preeminence in a given field or area.